Looking to build a professional website quickly without any coding skills? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Grigora, a fast and all-in-one web builder that lets you create high-quality websites, blogs, and landing pages in no time. Grigora comes with built-in tools for SEO, AI-powered blogging, and even email newsletters. Best of all, it's available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. If you want to grab this deal, check out the link in the description below. Let's take a look at what makes Grigora stand out. Drag and drop website builder. No coding required. Grigora's intuitive interface makes it easy to design beautiful websites in minutes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, you can create stunning pages without the headache of complex code. Advanced SEO tools. Want your website to rank on Google? Grigora offers real-time keyword suggestions, AI-powered keyword tracking, and SEO-optimized blog posts. This makes it easier to drive organic traffic to your site, and you don't need to be an SEO expert to make it work. Built-in email marketing. Grigora doesn't stop at just websites. You can also send newsletters, manage subscribers, and create pop-ups to capture leads. It's everything you need to turn visitors into subscribers, all from one dashboard. AI blog generation and content tools. With AI-driven content creation, Grigora helps you generate SEO-optimized blog posts in no time. And if you're short on ideas, you can use their AI outline and directory maker to kickstart your content creation. Now, let's take a quick look at how Grigora works. Here's the dashboard where you can easily start building your site. You have full control over your design with the drag and drop feature, allowing you to place images, text, and buttons wherever you want. In this example, we're setting up a simple landing page for a new product launch. It takes just a few clicks to add sections, customize text, and integrate an email sign-up form. You can even use their AI-powered blogging tool to automatically generate content that's SEO friendly. And with real-time keyword tracking, Grigora will optimize your posts to rank higher on search engines. If you're ready to simplify your web building process, Grigora is a game changer, and you can grab it today with a lifetime deal on AppSumo. The affiliate link is in the description below. Don't miss it. Here's why Grigora is worth checking out. Ideal for entrepreneurs and creators. If you're a freelancer, small business owner, or content creator, Grigora is your one-stop solution. From websites to blogs to newsletters, it's perfect for growing your online presence. Great value for lifetime access. With the AppSumo deal, you get lifetime access to all these powerful tools starting at just $59. And the best part? There are no ongoing subscription fees. Built-in email marketing and lead capture. Capture leads and manage your email marketing directly from the platform. Whether you're launching a product, building a blog, or running campaigns, Grigora covers all your needs in one place. So there you have it. Grigora is an all-in-one web builder that's perfect for anyone looking to create a website, blog, or landing page quickly and with no coding required. Don't forget, the AppSumo lifetime deal is available right now. You can grab it through my affiliate link in the description below. Trust me, this is an offer you don't want to miss. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe Dgtal Grow for more product reviews, tutorials, and exclusive deals. Thanks for watching.